City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. A couple hours.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video, we are doing lots of laundry. I also have a little bit of spring cleaning to do, as well as just tidying up our space. So if you are needing some motivation to get something done today, this is definitely the video for you, and I'm excited to take you guys along.
And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close.
So the first thing I did was take Eleni's clothes out of the dryer, and then I had that second load to put into the wash. That was Eleni's clothes as well, so I had to separate hers into two different piles. And then I also have some colored clothes that I've already washed and dried, and then I have that in my bedroom at the moment. So we're gonna go ahead and tidy up in the living room, and then we'll work on that laundry in just a little bit.
We've been through a lot, now we're hiding in the crowd. Whatever you want me to be, you know I'm on your side. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close.
I do want to say the lighting is sort of all over the place. Normally I'll record my videos in the morning around 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning, so the lighting is a lot better, but I went ahead and picked up the camera in the evening. Like I said, I had some tidying up to do, just a couple of things on my spring cleaning list, and then also lots of laundry as well. So I really wanted to take you guys along for this. So I just want to say I apologize about the lighting. It is a little wonky in the evening, but I'm still excited to take you guys along for this video. So as far as spring cleaning goes, today I wanted to tidy all of the mirrors in the house. I feel like I always clean the bathroom mirrors whenever I'm deep cleaning the bathrooms. However, I do forget about our decor mirrors in the house. So I wanted to deep clean those as well as the bathroom ones, just because I already had the items out to clean the mirrors. And then that's pretty much all I'm gonna do as far as spring cleaning goes. So what I've been doing lately is just tackling maybe one or two things a week, or sometimes a day, just like for as far as the mirrors go. It only took me like 5 to 10 minutes to clean all the mirrors, so I could have definitely tackled something else. So but yeah, that's pretty much what I've been doing as far as spring cleaning, because I get overwhelmed very easily. So I didn't want to do that this spring or just not do it at all. So I just been tackling maybe one or two things a week.
Don't wanna be a one-man woman. Got me stranded like a boat in the sand. Just the thought of not spreading my wings drives me crazy. Dressing up, fixing my strut, always prepared, you never know who shows up around the corner. Maybe it's that director. Oh, I can sing, I can dance, I can learn to slow moves.
So in the kitchen today, I'm not going to do any type of deep cleaning, but I'm just doing overall tidying up and just same old as far as kitchen cleaning off the countertops, because that is definitely our catch-all space, and then washing a few dishes and starting the dishwasher as well.
Press me, show me real amour. Flower curtains, rose petals on my bed. I'm your sweetheart. Every new day, a new chance for success. The sooner the better, 'cause I'll be the best. But I draw the line at getting undressed. Director. Oh, I can sing, I can dance, I can learn
my countertops today. I'm just using my Mrs. Meyer's. This is pretty much what I always use, along with the microfiber cloth. And then as far as the glass cleaner goes, I had been using Windex. However, I purchased Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner. I honestly didn't even know they had a glass cleaner, and it's in the same scent as one of the ones that I get as far as like the all-purpose spray, which I think is the lemongrass scent. So I went ahead and purchased that at Target, and it works really good. I do plan on cleaning like all of my windows whenever that's on my list as far as spring cleaning. But yeah, I don't have any complaints in regards to Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner.
I will do anything you ask me to do. Jump out on the stage, get locked up in a cage, director. Oh, bring it on, director. I know how to deliver. Come on, director.
So in the bedroom today, all I needed to do was put the pillows back where they go. Now, I think this is the funniest thing. Lee will make the bed, however, she will never put the pillows back where they go. I think she's sort of annoyed by the fact that I have a ton of pillows on the bed, but she'll usually make the bed and then I'll have to put the decor pillows in the right spot. But I just think that's so hilarious. But anyways, you guys definitely didn't see me toss those clothes from the floor to the bed. We're just going to pretend that you didn't see that. But I had a load. This load I did the night before, and I just did not feel like folding it. So I was just like, I'm just going to get it the next day. So I just want to say this is definitely real life. Don't feel like you have to tackle every single thing all in one day. You know, we just take it day by day, step by step, and just get done what you can. So now that we have finished folding this load, we're going to move on to Eleni's load. So this is her first load of clothes that I needed to fold. I try my best to fold her clothes in her room. It just makes it a lot easier to put the clothes up since, you know, everything's right there. That's one other recommendation. Like as far as laundry, try to take the clothes that belong in that room. It'll save you some time in the long run as far as putting everything back where it goes.
I'm not gonna say I'm loving you too. I'm not gonna
are enjoying this video so far, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel here. I post on cleaning, organizing, laundry motivation, decluttering, anything to inspire you to get something done. If you are needing that type of motivation in your life right now, this is definitely the channel for you, and I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube community here.
Come on over. Forget what I said. Just come on over. I know you wanna try, give me that space. I know you wanna find another reason.
I also want to mention, as far as laundry goes, with Eleni's clothes, it is a ton of clothes like that you're seeing me fold, and this is just something we do. We sort of wait once every 2 to 3 weeks to wash her clothes, just because she has so many. One thing I want to recommend, if you get overwhelmed with laundry, definitely maybe tackle 1 load a day, maybe tackle 2 loads per week. I wouldn't recommend waiting so long to wash clothes. For us, it's okay to do Eleni's clothes this way, but I just want to mention that, like, if laundry is something that you don't like to do or you get very overwhelmed, I would recommend setting like a certain routine, as far as like maybe Thursday is your laundry day when you get off work, or maybe Sunday, since you're already resetting for the new week, making Sunday your laundry day. So I just wanted to say that I know it can get overwhelming with cleaning, doing laundry, doing all the things as far as keeping up with house chores, but definitely think about making some type of routine, and it'll help you out in the long run.
Now I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking about the way the way you make me grounded. Thinking of the way you used to hold me. When the sun and the water singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for you. Forget what I said, just come on over. Forget what I said, just come on over. Forget what I said, just come on over.
So I went ahead and moved that last load over to the dryer, and then I'm honestly done for this particular evening. And so I'm just gonna pick back up the next morning and finish folding her clothes. So I didn't get everything done in that one day, so it's just going into the next day. So this is the next morning, and I just wanted to finish cleaning the mirrors. I didn't get that done the day before, and so now I'm going to go ahead and tackle Eleni's last load of laundry. So we're going to go ahead and fold everything and put it back where it goes. Every time I do her laundry, it reminds me how much we need to declutter and reorganize her clothes. The closet is fine. It's just that dresser drawer. Packing, so many clothes into those drawers that just lets me know it's time for us to declutter and reorganize.
That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Oh, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Oh, yeah. I'm going back to the table, I know they saving us up for the stable friend of mine. Cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Oh, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing.
I also want to mention a lot of other creators that I've watched, which I don't mind watching these type of videos, but I feel like they are doing so much spring cleaning all in one day. So I just want to mention, don't feel like that is super realistic. Being realistic is tackling your everyday to-dos and then also adding maybe one or two things that you don't normally do, each day or once a week or so. So I just wanted to mention that. I know for me, when I see all of these different types of videos come out around this time, don't feel like you have to do everything all in one day.
Substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. How much you're missing with me. How much you're messing 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 with me.
Hope you guys enjoyed this laundry video along with some spring cleaning and some tidying up as well. Hope it inspired you to get something done today. And as I always say, if that's to simply make your bed, I am still proud of you. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.